read a book that once said, when advising an unmarried couple who wants to buy a house together, a real estate agent should provide guidance, just guidance on various aspects of the home buying process. And that includes, remember, this is guidance. I can't give legal advice. I can't even give financial advice because I'm not a lawyer and I'm not a financial advisor. But I can tell them that I have contacts, I have people who they should probably talk to give them legal and financial recommendations before getting into this transaction. And if you've already done it, if you're watching this podcast and you say, well, it's kind of, we put the cart before the horse, we didn't do that. There's nothing wrong right now while things are still going well between you as a couple. You can still get legal and financial advice. And I think that if one of the parties come to the other and said, hey, I think we should get some advice on, this undertaking, don't get defensive.